The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is dropping on January 22nd during the Galaxy Unpacked event, and we're already getting a sneak peek thanks to some leaks and reports. One of the most buzzed about rumors is the possibility of a slim variant, but it might be saving that for a later date. While we wait for the official reveal, the Galaxy S25 Plus global model has popped up on Geekbench, giving us a little more to go on. The listing shows the model number S936B. The B probably stands for global variant. The S25 Plus managed to score 2721 in single-core and 9435 in multi-core tests. For comparison, a previous version of the phone scored a bit higher back in September, with 3054 in single-core and 9224 in multi-core, but it's still pretty solid performance. Specs-wise, the Geekbench listing shows 10.72 gigs of RAM, which shows the 12 gigs variant and Android 15, probably running One UI 7 on top. The processor is listed as an octa-core, with 6 cores at 3.53 and 2 at 4.47 GHz, likely the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy Chipset, which matches up with all the rumors so far. It's also confirmed that the S25 Plus will likely roll out with both Snapdragon and Exynos versions, depending on the region. Also in the news, we got to see our first official look of the S25 Plus. Avon Blass dropped the latest images via his newsletter, and they give us some stunning shots of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The design? Well, it's pretty much what we've seen for the past couple of years. Nothing revolutionary, but Samsung's not really aiming to completely reinvent the wheel for 2025. Still, it's nice to get a sneak peek at the cameras, especially with those small but noticeable tweaks, like how the body color now matches the bezels around the camera lenses. And even though these phones might look similar to the Galaxy S24, the Galaxy S25 still manages to look sleek and premium. Now, let's be real for a second. Do we need another, slightly better version of the S24 Plus? It's not a game-changing upgrade, but that's to be expected since the S25 Ultra is going to be the star of the show. On the flip side, we're getting a thinner design, a brighter display, and that powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. So while it may not knock our socks off with crazy new features, it'll definitely be a reliable, high-performing flagship. If they keep the price around $1,000 for the base model, the S25 Plus could be the perfect competitor to the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro. So, what are you expecting from the S25 Plus? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.